Battle ready in black, green, and gold, warrior runner Usain Bolt to the head of the world. From Sherwood content Trelawney, the 6'5" sprint anomaly stamped his sunshine-bred supremacy, shattering red, white, and blue ascendancy. It was bound to spark controversy and some arms house chat from the IOC. Oh, I see. The real issue is how dare he, this little black boy from the land of wood and water, him too outer order. Now them want test with yam and cassava. Beating his chest like a coming drum, Usain took it to them, then danced to barefoot while the world watched. He danced for us in a language they did not understand. Like the Abeng of old, they could not decode. Bad mind, gonna make some of them explode. Oh, say, can you see? Them can't chat to we. Did you see the untied lace? Them I got tired for say Usain face. Hold on, my bad. Let me correct what I just said. Them I got tired for say the back of Usain head.